Hey guys, welcome to Glenview Chicago Auto Pros. We got a wicked Ford Bronco that just came in. Doing some window tint on right now. Look forward to you guys seeing it.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm window tint installer here in Glenview location. We got today here Ford Bronco 2021. It's getting windshield tinted and two front windows. In two fronts we're applying today XR Plus 20% and in windshield we're doing 70% XR Plus.
Hey, let's go! And you said you were nervous.
Kinda. Now we are done with window tinting. Car is ready for prepping and getting some PPF.
Hey, get out the shop. Did I say Gus or Gustavo? Dude, I suck. Hey guys, I'm Gus. We just got the Bronco back from the tint department. We're gonna prep it up and we're gonna bring it over to the PPF room. Let's get it.
What you doing here, Kyle?
These dudes in PPF have been slacking heavy, so I'm just here to help. Rob, look at him. Yeah, I got it. What's going on? It's Rob from Chicago Auto Pros. We're gonna do some paint protection film on this new Bronco. The customer was worried about some trail scratches, so we're gonna do a full front clip, the doors and the rear quarters. We're gonna check on these boys, see what the progress is going on. Look like they got the top off. They're working on getting the door handles off. They got the flares off. The mirrors are off. Yeah, it's just about get ready to wrap. We're gonna get started on it. You know what we should have done? My accent gets progressively more and more south until it's just, hey, I'm getting there. Little over halfway through the day, we got the whole front end almost done. We got a couple front bumper pieces to throw on. All the doors are on, that quarter's done. Got this quarter right here, then we got reassembly. And this thing will almost be done today. We'll have some edge work tomorrow morning, wrap it up, get it over to detail, and then it'll be ready for the customer.
Dude, I'm so scared of this.
Yes. Who put this music on?
There you go, Albie.
Who put it on?
All right, so we're just finished up with the Bronco. The tint guys got the windows nice and shady. The car's protected now. We're gonna send it over to the detailers and they're gonna make it nice and pretty. You're good up front. You're good.
Hey, I'm Dan. We just got the car back from PPF. About to start coating.
My name's Aiden. We just finished the coating process on this. We put the BC-05 glass coating on here and it's looking great. Dan and I just finished. We're about to pull it outside and do our final checks and make sure everything's looking good still.